the ESB group is enormously profitable. They also receive very significant funding from the taxpayer by way of the public service levy. But yesterday, the CEO of the ESB stated that the cost of repairing damage to the network caused by the recent storm would be borne by customers in their bills. We have previously discussed the hardship that has been wrought by the storm, that so many of the ESB's customers went without power for weeks. Indeed, some 17,000 remain without power. And remember, over the last 4 years, ESB customers have been squeezed by rip-off prices, paying amongst the most expensive rates in the European Union. And now the ESB, sitting on vast profits, tells customers that they will in fact foot the repair bill. Taoiseach, I want to know what you propose to do about this. It is very clear that there has to be an intervention. People already pay too much.
Thank you, Deputy Taoiseach, to respond.
I think the more fundamental reform that's required in terms of the ratio of costs, or the manner in which costs under the regulatory framework that we have and the role of the CRU and so forth has to be, in our view, reformed. But there is no question the repairs will be necessary, and we'll then look at how that cost can be apportioned. More fundamental point is, though, we're going to need massive investment in the grid. As I gave you figures, the last 5 years, or 20 to 25, was in the order of 5 billion. There are estimates that what will now be needed from 2025 to 2030 will be in the magnitude of 13 billion. So this is very, and the Exchequer, we'll be seeing to what degree the Exchequer can take a burden of that cost, because that will have to happen. But there is a regulatory framework in place that I think we do need to reform. Any ideas on that, we'll gladly take. We have our own ideas here in the programme for government.